Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we begin, let's briefly introduce Gerber manufacturing files. After exporting Gerber file in EasyEDA, the system generates a zip archive. When placing an order with the PCB manufacturer, you can upload this zip file directly, no need to extract it. If further editing is required, for example by CAM engineers, the zip file can be extracted and the Gerber file can be viewed or edited using third-party CAM tools. The Gerber package contains multiple manufacturing files, each corresponding to a specific PCB layer, and the file names clearly indicate their purpose. With that in mind, let's go over several key points to check before generating Gerber files, which can help avoid manufacturing issues. First, before exporting Gerber files, always perform a 2D or 3D preview. This allows you to quickly verify the overall board structure, slot, drill holes, and board outline. Next, open the Design Manager and carefully check for any DRC errors. Make sure all design rule checks pass before exporting the files to minimize manufacturing risks. Another important point is the Gerber file download method. Gerber files are generated through the web browser, so they must be downloaded using the browser's built-in download function. Third-party download tools are not supported and may result in incomplete or failed downloads. Finally, here's an important note regarding slot output rules. In EasyEDA, circular slots are exported differently depending on their diameter. Circular slots with a diameter less or equal to 6.5 mm are output as MPTH drill holes in the Gerber files. Circular slots with a diameter greater 6.5 mm, as well as all other slot shapes, are output in the GKO file. Understanding this behavior helps you verify whether slot information has been exported correctly when reviewing Gerber files. These are the key points to pay attention to before generating Gerber files. Following this step can greatly reduce the risk of PCB manufacturing errors. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and save it. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.